The Titan SCR2 N-120 is an indoor model that performs to a solid level across the board. It's advertised for point-of-use applications, and rightly so. Measuring 10 inches by 7 inches by 3 inches and weighing only 8 pounds, it is the smallest unit on this list. Heck, it's so small that it makes small units look big and chunky. In summary, you'll have no issues fitting this tankless water heater near any utility that requires hot water. The tiny size doesn't limit the capacities though, as this unit can produce a maximum flow rate of 40 gallons per minute at 20 degrees Fahrenheit temperature rise. The temperature can be set via a push-button mechanism and is displayed by a simple low to high graph. It's a no-frills approach, but it gets the job done nonetheless. The SCR2 N-120 maintains a constant temperature by using a sampling system that monitors input and output water temperatures 21 times per second, and then makes the necessary adjustments to the flow rate. It effectively prevents cold water from unexpectedly ruining your hot shower, but it'll also mean a reduced flow rate will be enforced. Overall, this model ticks all the boxes but doesn't actually excel in anything in particular. It's not a bad thing, and considering the decent pricing, it's actually pretty good value for what you get. Titan have produced an all-around solid tankless water heater that is perfect for supplementing an existing water heating system.